kumakanta? Sino kakanta? Ha? Akin na, akin na. Akin na, oh. Sana, Mike. Akin na, Mike.
Whenever there are people giving gifts and exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in our hearts. There's a light on Christmas trees for a bright tomorrow, where nations are at peace and all are one in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. Sing it, never forget the love for Jesus that we